AI is transforming businesses, but without a foundation of trustworthy data, your AI model risks failure, brand damage, and loss of customer trust. This isn't just about compliance, it's core business imperative. Hey, my name is Chris. I'm the CEO of eBoost. We're an integrated marketing consultancy. We consulted many businesses in performance marketing and data analytics. We help businesses escape the growth trap of fragmented service level marketing by providing diagnostic clarity. Our goal is to be your growth partner and you can build a business with. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to protect your brand by making AI governance non-negotiable part of your strategy. So let's dive right in. On this first slide, I'm going to talk about the AI trust deficit and regulatory urgency. The first point is consumers expect fairness. In today's consumers are more informed than ever and expect brands to be transparent and fair. So one of the studies I found online found that 70% of consumers expect AI interactions to be transparent and fair. So making a fundamental expectation that links governance directly to customer loyalty. Second point is, obviously poor data governance directly amplifies risk and erodes trust. So investing in robust governance is a direct strategy for protecting your sensitive data, your brand's reputation, and your revenue. Right. The third point, regulatory regulation is inevitable, meaning like global regulatory trends like the EU AI Act underscores the global movements towards like mandatory oversights. I'm pretty sure I think that's happening in different parts of the states of the United States, but also maybe at the federal level. But having a strong data governance framework is the only scalable way to manage these escalating compliance demands and ensure your AI is deployed responsibly, right? Another key things I want to bring up here is the framework of data governance and AI governance. To 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 secure your AI systems, you need a layered governance approach. Think of it like a building. You can't build a secure structure on this crumbling foundation, right? So first point, build a foundation first. Like the data governance is a trust layer for all your enterprise information. So it's unglamorous but essential work that ensures every piece of data you use is reliable, and trustworthy by setting clear policies for availability, integrity, security, and privacy, that sort of thing. Second point, AI needs a superstructure. So, like in a AI governance, it builds on this data foundation. It's like a set of policies and controls, specifically for how your AI systems are developed and monitored, with key components like transparency, explainability, fairness, and bias mitigation. So everything that goes into your AI models or whatever you're building with AI, it's important you keep track of like what's going in it, what you're tracking. Finally, the third important thing is that it's really a team sport, right? So business leaders like yourself must partner with legal and compliance team to embed these control layers into your technology architecture from the beginning. So without like a disciplined data governance beneath it, your AI governance efforts would be kind of pointless. So, if you remember these images here in early days of Google's Gemini, I think it was called Bard or something like that. There was a lot of funny things that came out of a very simple query. But look at this: like one of the central ethical like risk in AI, like is the potential to amplify this existing biases, right? If like the data you use to train your algorithm is biased, the resulting predictions will be like flawed, right? It's pretty no brainer. So this can lead to like unfair discriminatory targeting. So the first point is like biases are a real threat. Like bias training data can lead to like unfair discriminatory outcomes, as I mentioned, in targeting and lead scoring. So this can create like a vicious cycle for exclusion that erodes like customers' trust, no doubt. Second point, diversity in data sources and audits are kind of like a key thing. Like to mitigate like biases by actively using multiple and diverse data sources is important, and by continuously monitoring, auditing your AI systems to identify and correct biases proactively is actually important, right? Finally, the third point, transparency builds loyalty. Okay, so ethical data privacy and clear consent are non-negotiable for maintaining customer trust and avoiding brand damage. Um, Consumers expect transparency, and failure to handle data collection ethically can lead to significant customer backlash and loss of loyalty. you definitely want to take notice of some of the regulatory things that's required within your country, states, or wherever, to make sure you're collecting the data correctly. Make sure you have the ability for the users to opt out if necessary. So all that stuff is you have to make sure you're in compliance and governed correctly. Yeah. So this topic was about governance and stuff like that, but building a trust in the age of AI isn't just about compliance. It's about leveraging your data to your advantage. Okay. As an integrated marketing consultancy, we specialize in helping brands build a clean, reliable data foundation needed for AI success. So if you're ready to stop pulling out data fires and start building a scalable, yeah, ready foundation for marketing, let's talk. So visit us at ebusconsulting.com and let's schedule a strategy call together. Right? All right then. See you next time. Bye bye.